kids, we're going to be doing some math in this video. So we're going to be learning the number 6. What does the number 6 mean? And then we're going to learn how to write it. So first let's start off with what the number 6 means and how big the number 6 is. So we're just going to start off, we're going to use some of these stacker things to count up to 6. So we have the number 1. So I'm going to take one of our little monkeys there and stick them there. And the next one is 2. So I'm going to take 2 of our stackers and stick them there. The next one is 3. So let's see, we'll take this guy and stick him there. And then we have the number 4. So let's see, I'm going to move all these guys up so that way we can put the other ones behind them. So there we have the number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Our next number is going to be the number 5. So let's count these quick. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then, what is our number that comes after 5? Awesome. The number 6. So that's the number we'll be learning some more about today. So I have this stack of counters here. So let's count these. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 6 comes after 5. Let's put our 6 counter next to the 5 counter. I'll get rid of these ones so we can see it a little bit better. So this is our 5 and this is our number 6. And if you look, you can see that 6 is just 1 bigger than 5. So if we could take another stacker and stick it on top, 5 plus 1 would be 6. So 6 is just 1 more than 5. Alright, so now that we learned a little bit about how big the number 6 is, let's try writing the number 6. And we have some like flour Play-Doh that we made. You could try making this at home. It's flour, salt, and water, and you can find the recipe online. So let's practice writing the number 6 just with your fingers quick, just so we get a good feel for how the number 6 should be written. So we always want to start at the top. You want to drag down and around. It's kind of like you're making a small circle inside of a bigger one. You're going to start going down and then curve it around, just like that. Alright? So, now instead of just writing the number 6 with a pencil, we're going to do something different. So we're going to take our Play-Doh and we're going to roll it out. So you have to set it on your table and kind of flatten and roll with your hands to try to flatten it out. And you want to try to make like a snake or a worm, like this. And then you just want to lay it over top of your number 6. So you have something like that. And if you get really good at doing it that way, you could do it without looking at the number 6 and try to do it all by yourself. So I'm going to try that real quick. Alright, and there's my number 6. It's not as good as the written one, but that's okay. Alright, so hopefully you learned something in this video. We'll see you in the next one.
And to make that clay, you're just going to take 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of salt, 1 cup of water, and if you want, you can also add a tablespoon of oil, but it works just as well without the oil. See you in the next video.